guys my latest hairstyle, because everybody deserves to look and feel absolutely beautiful, but everybody don't have a whole lot of money. So I want to come on here and show you guys this look. It is by the Model Model collection. It is very beautiful. It says it is a cheek premium wig, and her name is Emery, and this unit is in a 1B. And I want to get into a little bit of information about the unit. See here, the curls extended around the entire unit, but I did have the young lady to shave it down. I thought that added a little bit of a flair to it. I liked it a lot better like that. I really do love the curls of this unit. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like it better this way, or you thought that it was good that I did go ahead and get the wig tapered up. And as you guys can see how my hairline is defined and how it is shaved down and blended out. She did an absolutely beautiful job. And then on this side, you see how pretty the curls are. You can comb them down or you can fluff them out. So that is really, really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn around and do a 360 so that you guys can see the entire unit. Okay, I really like the fact of how the back of the hair lays. It does not extend down onto the neck. No, neither does the front. Covers the face. So this is absolutely another beautiful unit. I thought that this would be an ideal unit that you guys would be interested in. Let me know in the comment section down below what it is that you think about this unit. And then I like the fact that the curls are so full. And the thing is, with wigs, you don't have to worry about the curls falling out and things like that. Like if you was to get caught in the rain, you wouldn't have to worry about the curls falling out. The curls will snap back. They do not lose their shape. It may not look like an ideal style that you might want to wear. What you're looking for is the curl pattern. Is it a curl pattern that you like? And when you purchase the unit, you just have someone to install it. So once you know what it is that you're looking for, when you go into the beauty supply store to purchase the unit, see if they have someone on staff that will install the unit. 9 times out of 10, they're only going to charge you $20. Tie the units down when you get ready to work out, when you're going to sleep, when you're just laying around, when you're taking a shower. You tie the unit down. So I hope this absolutely helped you guys. I hope you absolutely love the unit. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about it. And remember guys, it's always an opportunity to look cute and never a reason to be busted. So please do stay flawless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to